Hey everyone, we just dropped something big. Introducing the new combined Geofence report. All your favorite geofence data now in one place with a whole new look and some powerful new features added on top. At a glance, you can see exactly how many devices are inside or outside a geofence right now. A live pie chart breaks down where your devices have been spending time. Hover over it and get the full device list instantly. Want to dig deeper? Click into the weekly breakdown and see a detailed view of which devices were in which geofences with full in and out timestamps. All the classic reports you already know and love, current, daily, weekly, recent, they're all still here, just cleaner, faster, and easier to find. Head to Geofencing, Geofence Report, and check it out today. This is just the beginning. We can't wait to show you what's next.